Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present my research, uh, energy efficiency in sustainable buildings, implementation of green design and technology in Karawang, Regency. Uh, my name is Baramal, and the presentation uh, with the Dijidian Purnama, Fatma Nurhaini, Nani Minarsi, Nurani Mashita, Gisela Nurinda Abdi, Amalia Rizka Sugiarto, and Cahya Suryadi, and we are from Universitas Singapura Bangsa, Karawang. Yeah, and yeah, this is we are author identity in civil engineering study program, and today I will share the findings and implications of this study, focusing on the potential for energy efficiency and sustainability in the region building sector. Background to the problem. In recent decades, the increasing energy consumption in the building sector has become one of the main contributors to rising greenhouse gas emission and global climate change. Conventional buildings are often designed without considering energy efficiency, resulting in high electricity usage for lighting, cooling, and heating. This condition not only impacts the environment but also increases operational costs for building owners. Karawang Regency, as one of the fastest growing regions in Indonesia, faces significant challenges in meeting the energy demands of its building. Rapid urbanization and the development of industrial and residential sectors have accelerated energy demand, which is often fulfilled through non-renewable resources. On the other hand, Karawang Regency holds great potential to become a model for implementing green technology and sustainable building design. Given its strategic position as a development hub, sustainable development, especially in the building sector, emphasizes the importance of energy efficiency through the adoption of green technologies such as energy efficient lighting system, thermal insulation materials, and natural ventilation. However, the adoption of these technologies in Karawang still faces several obstacles, including high initial investment costs, limited technical knowledge among developers, and low public awareness of the importance of energy efficiency. This research aims to explore the extent to which the implementation of green design and technology can support energy efficiency in buildings in Karawang Regency by investigating the challenges and opportunities. This study seeks to provide relevant recommendations for stakeholders to accelerate the transition towards sustainable development, supporting both national and global agenda for carbon emission reduction. And methods for this study employs a mixed method research approach combining qualitative and quantitative analysis to provide in-depth and measurable insights into the implementation of green design and technology in buildings in Karawang Regency. First research approach. The research is exploratory descriptive, aiming to identify the application of green technologies and measure their impact on energy efficiency in sustainable buildings. Data collection is two. First is primary data field survey, and secondary data secondary. And data analysis technique, qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. And research location. The study focused on building in Karawang Regency, including commercial, office, and residential structure that have adopted green technologies. Location were selected based on accessibility, data availability, and relevance to local policies. Validation was conducted through the data triangulation between interview results, field survey, and secondary data to ensure accuracy and consistency. Evaluation framework: the main indicator used include energy efficiency, energy consumption before and after the implementation of green technologies. And the last, expect outcome: the research aim to provide empirical data on the effectiveness of green technology in improving energy efficiency. Yeah, the research results have six results. First is energy consumption reduction. The implementation of green design and technology in the building study in Karawang Regency result in the reduction of energy consumption uh, of by 25 until 35% compared to conventional building. The use of energy efficiency lighting such as LED lamps, integration of natural ventilation, and thermal insulation. And second is environmental impact. The study has shown that building with sustainable design had a lower carbon footprint with greenhouse gas emission reduced by up to 20%. The technologies such as solar panel and rainwater harvesting system also support natural resources conservation. And this is three result is economic sustainability. Although the initial cost of implementing green technology is higher, cost benefit analysis indicate a return on investment within 5 until 7 years through operation energy savings. Building with energy efficiency also have higher property values, making them attractive to developer and investor. Yeah, like the electricity. And implementation challenges: the main barriers to adopting green design in Karawang include limited technical knowledge among developers and contractors, and low public awareness of the benefit of green technology. Local policies that do not strongly encourage green building standards also pose a challenge to wider adoption. This building, green architect and green building is 5 major elements of green building design. End user satisfaction: residents are users of sustainable building reported increase in comfort, particularly due to natural lighting and the air circulation. Surveys show that 85% of respondents were satisfied with the design and energy efficiency of their buildings. And strategic recommendation: enhance technical training for developers and contractors to understand and implement green technology. Encourage regulation that mandate an energy efficiency standard for new building projects. Strengthen public awareness through educational campaigns on the benefit of sustainable buildings. Yeah, the research this table is assessment green building in another country. And in Indonesia we have green seat, and this is category, criteria, and indicator. This is the table uh, the table provides outline and scoring system for evaluating different sustainability criteria in building project. The criteria are assessed based on 3 categories, A, B, and C, and are rated according to specific values. And breakdown to the table. And this is a scatter plot overview. The image display is a scatter plot that illustrates the relationship between the standardized predict value and the standardized residuals of regression analysis for the regression students and residual. Conclusion: this study showed that The implementation of green design technology in building Karawang Regency provides significant benefit, and although higher initial costs, uh, Karawang Regency is expected to become a model for sustainable development that support national and global agenda for carbon emission reduction and environmental conservation. Okay, thank you for your attention.